This reel about Karnataka gave me 100k followers in a single day. Wow. I became one of the fastest growing educational creator on Instagram. For those who don't know me, I'm Kavya Karnatak. I want to give you 6 learnings that I had as a creator. And one thing I realized while making all these videos is that shit, everything's related to the boring geography. What? A subject that was so uncool was reaching so many people in all the states of India. That made me realize that anything and everything has an audience and can be made interesting. Hello, Namma Bengaluru! Wow, my heart is racing so fast. I don't know whether I'm excited or about to shit my pants. Sorry, I didn't wear any pants. I want a question. I want to ask here, how many of you are Kannadigas or from Karnataka or have ever been to Karnataka? Lots of noise. I need more noise. Amazing. Because my surname is Karnatak. Hi. For those who don't know me, I'm Kavya Karnatak. And even though my surname is Karnatak, I'm actually not from Karnataka. I'm from Uttarakhand. But Karnataka is the state that changed everything for me. Because exactly 1 year ago, I started this page called KK Create on Instagram. And I wanted to do something that no one else had done before. I wanted to make this really boring subject, geography, interesting. And you won't believe it, but in just 1 year, I built a community of really crazy, nerdy people who liked geography. And I did this because of this one reel. This was the first reel that went viral on my page. This reel about Karnataka gave me 100k followers in a single day. I became one of the fastest growing educational creator on Instagram. My reels reached to ministers, chief ministers, union ministers, newspapers, and most importantly, it reached Noser. And that is why today I'm here in front of all you amazing creators. Can I get a huge round of applause for anyone who has ever made even one video in their life? Amazing people you all are. So I want to dedicate my next 13 minutes, 8 seconds to talk about my experience in the past 1 year. I want to give you 6 learnings that I had as a creator. And I hope, I pray, I wish that even if one person gets some help from these 6 things, my work will be done. Before I begin, I want to ask you, any one of you, who is your favorite athlete, sports person? Just a name, anyone here? Dhoni, Kohli, Ronaldo, Neeraj. Great. For me, my favorite athlete is each and every one of you. My favorite athlete is a creator. Because exactly 1 year ago when I started, I decided I'll make one video every single day. And I did that. For the exact 1 year, I posted one video every single day. But I realized very soon that this is not going to be easy. Because I had to wake up every single day and find the passion to create again and again and again. Just like an athlete, I had to be consistent. I had to be disciplined. And you know, the most disciplined man I know in my life is this guy. An ex-BSF Jawan. He has traveled to all the states in India. And he's the guy I want to be smarter than. He is also my father. And I wanted, मेरी दिल से एक इच्छा थी. There's a wish that I have, I want to be smarter than this man. And I knew that to be able to do that, I had to really understand my country. I had to understand India and Indians. Is there anyone here today from Rajasthan? What? I can't hear. Is there anyone here today from Rajasthan? Can you, sir, please stand up? What's your name? Hi Vikas, where from Rajasthan are you? Jodhpur. Can you tell us one interesting dish that is there in Rajasthan that not a lot of people here will know about? Any dish that you like. Ghevar, yes. Can you tell everyone about what ghevar is? Please go ahead. Any explanation works.
It is a sweet, it is crisp like Kit Kat when with a malai on that.
Yes. So ghevar is a local sweet from Rajasthan which is crispy and it's beautifully tasty, okay? And there are so many local dishes like that in India. Does anyone here know what this mithai is called? Karwas. Is there any other name for this mithai? So many names, right? So what I wanted to do was capture these very local, regional stories. And that is why I made videos on local sweets in India. I made videos about local clothings in India. I made videos about local businesses in India. I made videos about local infrastructure in India. And one thing I realized while making all these videos is that shit, everything's related to the boring geography. What? Geography was supposed to be just about rivers and mountains. No, we never had teachers in our schools who made this subject interesting. How did everything come to be related to the subject that no one really cared about? That is why I made it my challenge to make this subject interesting. And guess what? That happened. That happened because I'm standing here with an introduction that said this creator made geography cool. My videos reached out to students who were learning in schools or appearing for competitive exams. My videos reached out to teachers who were playing them in their classrooms. My video reached out to parents who showed these videos to their kids. My videos reached out to travelers. And more importantly, my video reached out to these women. Has anyone here ever gone to Goa? Yeah? Do you know in the Goa beaches there are women who sell very local trinkets, small stuff, right? Like anklets like these. These are those similar women. They came to me and said to me, hey, we see your videos every day. Isn't that beautiful? A subject that was so uncool was reaching so many people in all the states of India. But that made me realize that basically anything can be made interesting. How do we make things interesting? Like Rachna ma'am said, it never starts with a fancy camera. It starts with a very basic thing. I also started with a very small sa iPhone, 600 rupees ka tripod, and 40 rupees ka green screen. That is what I started with. But a question that I asked myself, I challenged myself with was, okay, I have very limited resources. How do I then make interesting content? I decided on exactly 3 things. 1, I'll pick the best and the most interesting topics. 2, I'll make the best animations ever. And 3, I'll find the best hooks ever. How did I find the most interesting topics? I literally read all the geography books NCERT. From class 1st to class 12th. I even watched videos in regional languages. I watched 40, 50-minute videos in Kannada, even though I don't even know the language. And then I wanted to create the best animations. So every day, I would spend hours and hours to improve my editing skills. And how did I find the best hooks? By using craft. You won't believe this, but I wanted to make a video on coastlines of India, and I used cat litter for that. Slowly and steadily, I also started going a little outside of my house. I'm currently in Mumbai. Mumbai has a lot of local stories to tell. So I started exploring them. And that made me realize that anything can be made interesting with no paisa, but only passion. Why? Because in that 1 year, while I started with very bare minimum, I now have an office of my own. It's a very small thing. I know it's a very small thing, but it feels like a very big personal victory. And it just, thank you, thank you. It just goes on to say that paisa, money, doesn't matter. What matters? Passion matters. Because, okay, so this is another story. I recently went to this place. This is the richest private house in India. It's in Gujarat. Vadodara. Yes. Oh, amazing. Hi, good to meet you. Yes, Gaikwad's palace. This is where I met this human. This man cannot speak and cannot listen. But he came to me and said, I have watched all your videos. I asked him, how? How could a man who cannot listen have seen all my videos? He said, caption. That made me realize that in a country which is so diverse, how do you reach out to the most people? By creating simple content. Very few words, simple language, subtitles, captioning, and the job will be done. I also like to think about it as, hey, I have two siblings. They're currently in class 10th. Will they be able to understand my videos? If the answer is yes, then I have done a good job. Simplicity is the key to Indian audiences. I want you to meet another human. This is my mother. She's been a teacher for the past 23 years. Every day, she teaches for 13 hours. What does she teach? Math. And she made me fall in love with math as a subject as well. She made sure I was never scared of numbers. And little did she know, or I know, that this love for numbers will help me in content creation as well, at least in the starting first year. You won't believe it, but our team yesterday was sitting till 2 a.m. just looking at data sheets. Trust me, isn't it amusing that we think of content creators as having the brightest of life, working in parties, doing the cool things, but we like numbers. These numbers helped the entire team to understand, hey, what is the best time to post a video? The numbers gave us the answer. For us, it's 10:30 a.m. Hey, what is the best time? What is the best state where our average views are high? For us, it's Karnataka. Hey, what is any question can be answered using numbers. So make numbers your friend. My mother is also someone who made me realize very early on, okay, you want to do this thing of creation? Get a team. Because she made me understand that being a creator is lonely. Every day, my back hurts. It kills me. Every day is a lonely, lonely day. No one is there to answer to us what our questions need answers of. No one is there to tell us, hey, you're doing a good job. So what I did at the start was to build the best team possible. There are 4 members in my team. It's a tiny team. And this is all 4 of them, this is all 4 ka pehla job in content creation, okay? All 4 ka pehla job. But today, my writer gets 1 million views on all the reels he writes. My editor gets 1 million views on all the videos he edits. My community manager replies to 200 people every single day. These are huge numbers. These people became my arms. But this 4th man, thank you. A huge round of applause for them. Thank you, sir. But this one man is not an arm. He is a part of my brain. He's also my ex. One day, I was about to give up my content creation ka dream, sapna. And I was on a call with him. He said, hey, how can I help? And since then, he has been the one who has been my manager. He has been the one who has made it possible for me to sell my stuff to the biggest of brands. Today, you won't believe it, that an uncool subject like geography A creator who creates content on an uncool subject like geography has worked with some of the biggest brands in India, biggest educational startups, biggest OTT platforms. So what I'm saying is, anything and everything has an audience and can be made interesting. What are our future plans? हाँ मतलब देख लो, like we did good collaborations, we did very well collaborations with different brands. But what are our future plans? I want to talk to you. I want to now I made videos for an entire year staying at home, but now I want to get on the ground. I want mates of KK Create in every state possible so that those local stories can come out on the screen even better. I also want to create content in regional languages. So anyone here who's a creator in a regional language, please reach out to me. I also want to figure out other products that can be built using this category. So if you're working in the product category, please reach out to me. That was my 15 minutes. Thank you. Thank you.
Subscribe for more sessions of NAS Summit from around the world.